This course seems to be focused on teaching offensive wireless security skills, such as identifying vulnerabilities in 802.11 networks and circumventing network security restrictions. The course aims to prepare individuals for the Offensive Security Wireless Professional (OSWP) certification exam, which is a 4-hour practical exam that tests individuals' ability to apply the skills learned in the course to real-world scenarios. The course is designed for information security professionals who want to learn wireless penetration testing and includes security professionals and enthusiasts, as well as network administrators. However, to take this course, students are required to have a solid understanding of TCP/IP and the OSI model, familiarity with Linux, and a modern laptop or desktop that can boot and run Kali Linux. Additionally, specific hardware is required to complete course exercises. Overall, this course is aimed at individuals who want to develop their skills in offensive wireless security and are willing to put in the time and effort required to master the material and pass the OSWP certification exam.